Silver stocks are getting absolutely hammered, slammed. That's what we're going to see in this video here, guys. Trading is risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. Don't place trade based on what you see in this video because, hey, the market can give you, if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what you're looking at, if you're not smart about the market's going to smack you. All right, guys, very first link in the description, 7 steps to help you become a long-term successful trader. Go check out that. All right. Silver stocks are absolutely getting slammed. And once again, guys, if you guys have been following along what I've been saying, what do I always say? Don't fight that weekly trend, all right? What do we see here on the short-term picture on these silver stocks? Now, once again, guys, these silver stocks are getting slammed. Massive selling in the silver stocks right now, right? So we have this low, lower high, lower low, sort of a bit of a sideways phase, isn't it? Really not much happening here right now, not really much going on. But if we go have a look at that long-term picture, what's that long-term picture tell us? Ah, look at this big strong selling. Look at these weak buyers, right? Nothing really going on here. Don't fight that weekly trend. That weekly trend is the big guys. And people is like, oh, Johnny, it's going to be the bottom in silver stocks and blah, blah, blah. It's like, no, not yet anyway. And look what's happened right now, right? We're just rallied back down. We're now going sideways. We're now likely to go for another big run in the silver stocks. We're just going sideways right now. Where is the trend? Lower high, low, and this could be another lower high. Where's my moving averages? Down. So trend is down, momentum is down. So trying to buy right now, trying to buy the silver, thinking it's going to bottom out is not the way to go. Even if we're getting a little lower low, a higher low, and a higher high, what's that long-term picture say? The long-term picture says down, 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 the price is down. Again, once again, guys, you've seen my videos, right? Don't fight that weekly trend. And also, if you look at the SILJ, look at the SILJ. Once again, guys, just sideways, but the SILJ actually opened up, rallied up, and came down and closed almost 5.5% or 4.5% on the downside through there. The silver junior stocks are absolutely getting slammed today. Absolutely slammed today. Now, remember, that's a short-term picture there. What does the long-term picture say? The long-term picture says what? Look at this here. Big selling down move. So who's in control of this weekly chart? Once again, we have a low, we have a high, we have a lower low. This could be a lower high. What's my moving averages saying? They're saying momentum is down. So not only is the market creating what? High, lower high, lower high, lower high. This could be another lower high, especially after breaking through here. And so right now we're just going through this period right now. Where's this likely to go to? To me, we're now likely to get ready for another big drop down, and this next drop through here could be quite a lot stronger than the last drop we've seen in the silver junior stock. So guys, look out below. The silver stocks are getting slammed. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training, and I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.